get the thing off the road.
Yeah. Crazy.
Ghana. This is Ghana, baby.
Whoop-woo! So I had to take a video of them on the back of the truck like that. Welcome to Ghana. So on Christmas Day, we went to the Aburi Botanical Gardens. We're in Ghana.
Yeah, in Ghana, Ramoja, in Ghana.
Which is approximately 45 minutes from our hotel, Coco Palm Inn.
Mr. Oblivion. Mr. Talaba. This is nice, man. Whoa, look at the front. And someone's house is up there. Do you see the house up there?
Oh, yeah.
It's 40 here. Wow.
Oh, the speed limit.
Speed limit is 40 here. Wow, wow, wow. This is the time to slow down. Wow. Let's see where our car is. This is built for this. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. We're going up. We're going up. There we go. Yeah, by the way, those motorcycles are rental.
Yeah.
You can rent one of those motorcycles there. Or you can just drive in. We are at the entrance at the moment. Welcome to Botanical Garden! Oh, yeah. Look at the palm trees. Man, I have seen this in so many videos, man. So many.
Enter, it's about 10 CDs each for each adult. It's approximately $1 Australian dollars.
Wow, Botanical Gardens is busy today.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we got a restroom there, and also we have like oh, there's the restroom right there.
Perfect.
Let's
I get going then.
yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Botanical Garden. That's there. Wow, they have like so many species of plants here, like trees, plants. Oh, this is the local food. What are the type of trees here? You can even see that. What is it here? July 18, 28, 20, 28. Alright, wow, that's a pow. You know the pow I always give you? That's that tree there. You have to come now. Let's go. Hold that hand. Oh, now God.
It's beautiful, lots of greenery. Not many flowers as such, but lots of greenery, and it was a beautiful path. I love the trees as you drive through. This is a great place if you want to go have a barbecue or just want to chill. To walk through the whole park, I think it took us about an hour. There's some cool little artifacts, like there was the helicopter. That was pretty cool.
Did you see the spider? This is the spider.
Yeah.
This is a spider plant actually. I have these in a pot. A cannon is hard to look after. That's that one there. Wow. Let's take a photo here.
Yeah, we should.
Wow, nice, eh?
Yeah.
Botanical Gardens, Ghana. Yeah.
That's cute, actually.
Let's go to the bus. He said bus. He said it's the same bus.
Bus.
Oh no. He heard his name.
We are at the Botanical Gardens in Ghana. Azizo.
Look at him with his haircut. He wants to go to the bus. He saw the bus.
Bus.
Man, the palm trees here are tall. The palm trees here are tall. Wow.
Wow, look, that wheel's bigger than you.
Yeah, do you see the wheel on the bus? Wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all day long. Look, he wants to get picked. He wants to be picked. Wow. Wow, wow. Dang. Wow. What is it?
Come, James.
Because go look at that. Say hello, bus driver.
He said, hello, bus driver. Bus.
Tissue. Tissue.
Ooh. Oh, lawn. It's always oh, so it has
Oh, cool picture.
number. Ooh, hey, a number of lawns. You see the lawn number 9? Wow, this is nice. Dang. Dang. Oh, there's a wedding going on. Oh, wedding photo shoot. Ah. Mm. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hey, brother, how are you? Good, good. Ooh, there's a wedding photo shoots going in there, going in there. Wow, this is nice. Bro, look at this tree. We'll come back to this tree. Look at that tree there. This one here. Look at this one here. This tree where my finger is. Look at that one. Wow. Wow. Ooh, that's a nutmeg tree. That's a nutmeg. It has this old house. And look at that tree. That tree is growing on it. Look at that plant growing on it. Nice, man, nice. That's all gonna be it's gonna grow all over it. Like it's gonna be growing all over it. Wow, look at the kids. Look at the barbecue going on here. They have a barbecue going on here. Wow. Nice. Nice. He's not crazy. He's looking at the ice cream spot. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll come back. We'll come back this way. We'll come back. Is there anything there? You want to go around or go around this?
You can also get ice cream, and of course, there's a clothes shop in case you wanted to get that Ghanaian gear before you left. while we were there, for a small fee, you could do all these other activities, which was like archery, there was painting, there was lots of little different things to do there. What sound is this? What's that? Helicopter!
Look at mama.
Look.
Oh, they have a school of horticulture. Aquaba. Where's the chicken? Oh, look at the chicken.
Rooster!
This is the rooster?
Bye-bye, rooster! Oh.
He wants to go after it. He wants to go after it.
You want to chase it?
You want to chase the chicken. You want to chase. Nana. Ice cream. Yeah, ice cream, yeah.